Have you ever seen a green, slimy, grass-like patch growing on the surface of rocks on the shore, or something that looks like green scum splashing onto the beach sand? What you saw was algae. Algae is a common term for a big and diverse group of plant-like and mostly aquatic organisms from the kingdom Protista. Many types of algae are unicellular, which means they consist of only one cell, while others are multicellular, made up of many cells with varied functions. They range in size from microscopic microalgae to 50 to 60 meters long macroalgae. Algae is similar to plants in the sense that they also have chloroplasts, and thus can produce their own food through photosynthesis, a process that uses sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen. However, unlike plants, algae don't have stems, leaves, or a complex vascular system that helps them take in nutrients. Instead, algae absorb the nutrients directly from the water they grow in. Although scientists haven't arrived at an exact number, they estimate that there are somewhere from around 30,000 to 1 million species of algae. Some common types of algae include green algae, red algae, brown algae, diatoms, and cyanobacteria. Algae have been around for more than 2 billion years. During the Great Oxygenation Event, cyanobacteria living in our early oceans used photosynthesis to transform the previously toxic atmosphere into one rich with oxygen. This important event allowed for the existence of more complex life forms later on. Algae are simple plants that need little to grow and thrive. They are often found in water bodies such as swamps, oceans, lakes, and rivers, but they can also grow in moist soil and on man-made structures. The higher global temperatures brought on by human-induced climate change has and is causing algal blooms to appear more often. Algae can rapidly grow out of control, causing an algal bloom, when water is warm, slow-moving, and full of nutrients. Algal blooms are a problem because they can create toxins that kill fish, mammals, and birds, and may cause people to become sick from drinking or contact with the contaminated water. Algae has been cultivated across the world for its many different uses. Some types of algae have a high nutritional value and are rich in antioxidants, hence, they are consumed as food or supplements. Agar, a substance extracted from red algae, is used as a gelling agent in many popular food products. In agriculture, algae is commonly used in fertilizers and animal feed. It also has a number of other commercial uses. Certain natural pigments produced by algae can be used as alternatives to chemical dyes. You may find algae as an ingredient in certain brands of toothpaste, cosmetics, and medicine. There has been promising research about the use of algae to create environmentally friendly bioplastics. If successful, it could help reduce our dependence on plastic. Algae-based biofuels can power our vehicles and produce less greenhouse gas emission than gasoline. Algae itself is also a natural air purifier. Scientists estimate that algae produce about more than half of all the oxygen in the atmosphere. This means that algae is more efficient at reducing carbon dioxide than all the forests in the world. While algae offer numerous benefits, it's essential to do what we can to prevent harmful algal blooms and maintain the balance in aquatic ecosystems. That said, we should continue to find ways of harnessing the enormous potential of algae.